Okay, year 8, welcome to your video tutorial today on multiplying and dividing terms. Okay, we're going to look at algebraic expressions, but today we're going to have a look at how to multiply and divide them. When we have a term with a coefficient, okay, an example of a term or a pronumeral could be 5a could be a term, and we have a coefficient and then nothing between the pronumeral, that means that we're saying a multiplied by 5, or there's 5 instances of a. For example, we don't write, as you know, 12 times a times b times c. We write 12 abc. When we're multiplying, the order isn't really important. For example, 2 multiplied by a multiplied by 4 multiplied by b could be written this way as well. It doesn't really matter the order in which you multiply. When x is multiplied by x, it gets us x squared, as we've learned in the last few lessons. When x is multiplied by x is multiplied by x, it gives us x to the power of 3. Unlike multiplication, division is written as a fraction. So 12ab divided by 9ad is the same as writing that one there. Okay, and to work those out, how we work that out and how we divide 12ab by 9ad is that we look for common factors. So if you have a look here, what I've done, the 12 and the 9, a common factor for 12 and 9 is 3 goes into it. 3 went into 12 4 times and into 9 3 times. If I have a pronumeral on the top that I also have on the bottom, they cancel each other out. So I get an answer of 4b over 3d. Now finally, if you're asked to do one of these questions, the first example here that just says simplify, remember we can only simplify. We're not actually working anything out. We're only simplifying, okay? The first thing I do is I like to underline my constants or my coefficients here, my actual numbers, okay? So that's the same as saying 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. See how I've reordered them to have things in a row? And then I've got an A, a B, a C, and a D. Now it's always good, A, B, C, D, to write them in alphabetical order. So first off, I move left to right. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. 14 multiplied by 3 is 42. So my answer becomes 42, A, B, C, D. Pretty easy, huh? Then when I have a look at this next example, I've got a 3 and a 5. So 3xy multiplied by 5xz is the same as saying 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by z. Okay, and I move left to right. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. Now I've got this interesting thing here, x multiplied by x. We learnt from the previous slide, when I multiply a pronumeral by itself, I get x squared. Okay, x multiplied by x, a simpler way of writing that is x squared, and then I have y, z. And that's it, guys, that's multiplying and dividing terms.